In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a card with your Apple Wallet. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to manage and add new cards to your Apple Wallet when you open up the app on your phone, and at the top right corner of your screen, you click the plus sign. When you select the plus sign, you will be able to add a lot of things to your wallet, including debit or credit cards, as you can see the option on the bottom of your screen. When you select Add Debit or Credit Card, you will have the ability to input the credentials about the card that you wish to add. So, include valid and legitimate information about the card, double check to see if everything is correct, and verify your identity. If everything looks in order, your card will be automatically attached to your wallet. You will be able to optionally set it as your default card and manage it at any time inside of your wallet. The next time you make a payment using Apple Pay, you will have the option to select this card as the payment method, or simply choose from one of the pre-existing ones. As long as you add your cards to your wallet through the wallet app, they will all be listed there and you can manage them at any time and use them to make payments as necessary. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a card with Apple Wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.